As you can see, I'm screen mirroring my iPhone to my Android. On my right is my iPhone and on my left is my Android. You can see that I'm screencasting my video, and also I'll be demonstrating how you can screencast from from Android to iPhone. Okay, so hi guys, my name is Laxman. In this video we'll be using an application called apowermirror, and for this both of our devices needs to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So currently both of my devices are on same Wi-Fi network, and we'll be using an application called apowermirror, which is available for free. So let's go to our App Store and Play Store and download the app. So you can find the link of this app in the description section below. So just type apowermirror, and this is the app we are talking about. So I have already installed on both of my devices, so it's likewise in my Android phone also. I'll be downloading apowermirror, and after the application has been downloaded on both the devices, just tap on open, and let's open the application in both of our devices, and this is what it looks like. You can see both of my phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and you can see a big mirror button in the middle section of the phone. So since I'll be screen mirroring from my iPhone, I'll tap on my iPhone on the mirror button, and then it will detect my phone. So it might take a while, so we can just retry a couple of times, or you can use the QR code option from there. So now it has detected my Redmi 3S phone, which is on my left. So to mirror to this phone, I'll just tap on the name there, and it says me to pull down the control center and tap on screen mirroring. So let me just swipe my control center down and tap on the screen mirroring button there. So I can see that my Android phone is listed over there. So in a matter of few seconds, the screen is being mirrored to my Android phone. So to fix the orientation, there's a rotate button in my Android phone. I can use this to rotate according to my need, and the possibilities are endless. So we can use this application for whiteboard drawing or sharing our screen, videos, photos, anything. So let me show you by playing a video over here. So you can notice there's a bit delay, a lag of few seconds, because it is from the Wi-Fi connection, so that's why. And then you can use this application for different purposes, like mirroring your screen, making your Android phone a second screen for your iPhone's camera. So this is how you can mirror from your iPhone to Android, but now I'll show you how you can do it from Android to your iPhone. So the process is almost the same. So we'll tap on mirror button on our Android phone, and then it will search for the available devices. You can see that my iPhone is being already listed over here. So sometimes if it doesn't list, you can just close the app and try it again. Let me try it again once more here, and then you can accept the notification, and then you can see that the screen has been mirrored. So likewise, I said before, you can use for doing whiteboard drawings, as displaying photos and videos, playing music, or even as a camera's monitor for your Android phone. So this is all. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.